connect with the breath, and I feel this gratitude that have this opportunity to wake up again. This is a new day. I am alive. Good morning, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. DIY your life, create the life you wish to live. And today I want to talk to you or share with you my morning routine, the morning routine or ritual that helped me to stay focused. There's just a few things that I wanted to share with you. Are you ready? Let's get into it. So right after I open up my eyes, I don't jump out of the bed right away. I take my time. I actually allow my body to really be awake, not only the tick-tock, the clock in my head, but I really take the time to connect with my body. I also inhale deep and long before I jump out of the bed. I really connect with the breath, and I feel this gratitude that have this opportunity to wake up again. This is a new day. I am alive and I have this chance to experience the new thing. So I take this moment to appreciate that I have another day, and this is just a beautiful thing. I feel right in my heart. This gratitude penetrates so deep in me when I sink into this gratitude, and I don't need to be hurry. I feel that I have enough time to do everything. So this very important. The first minute after I open my eyes, I just breathe and connect. Sometimes I just close my eyes again and I just connect and say thank you. Thank you to life. Thank you for giving me this opportunity so that I have another day to experience, to create, to share. And I always smile when I say that to my body, because I feel in every cell of my being. I feel in my bone that today gonna be a good day, because today is another day, and this is my intention to create a beautiful day, to create a meaningful day for me. Because when I feel good, I can go out to the world and share the same value, same feeling, same quality that I have inside myself. Everything that come across my path, I face it with love energy, with gratitude, with this intention of wanting to create something good, of wanting to create something useful to share. Because I know I can benefit from this thinking, this feeling, and I know that people around me, they can benefit from this quality that I have for myself as well. Because in the end of the day, there's no author, no another person. Everyone that we meet in our daily life is simply the mirror, is simply another one of us in just different face and form. And if we can give this to ourselves, if we can give love to ourselves, is in no way that we can hurt other people, because we can never do this to them, because doing this to them is meaning that doing this to ourselves. We be more aware and be more conscious of our action, our words, because we know that our words can create and in the same time can destroy. And if we feel this first for ourselves, that the word we speak to ourselves, the feeling that we feel inside ourselves, is create our day, and in fact is create our life, then we only want to concentrate to create more beautiful things. And right after I have this appreciation, this connection with my body, with the life, with the day, I look out to the window. I simply just look out to the window and I just take a moment to connect with the quality of whatever I see. For example, when I look up to the sky, I right away connect with the infinity, this limitless that the skies offer me. So I take the time to also connect with this gift that I receiving it. Every time I have the eyes to have this connection with everything that come across my eyes. When I look at the river, I see the river flow in the direction of the wind that take the river flow, and to remind me that I should never fight against the flow of the river. I should never fight against life itself. I should flow like the river, and to learn to accept the thing that happen in my life and do my very best in the now that I have to create what I wish to receive, because everything that already happened in the past, I have no power to go back and change the situation. I have the full power only in the now, and I wish not to waste any minute of my life to thinking of the past, either to worry about future, but be in the now and enjoy this flow of life. And when I look all of this around me, I feel good because they are all my teachers. They are my great teacher. They give me a great lesson to live this life. And I'm so blessed that I have this opportunity to connect with them and to receive their teaching in every single day. And after that, I go to the bathroom. I look at myself into the mirror. I do my best not to find something I don't like about my face or myself. And with the practice of many years doing this work, now I can say to you that every time when I look at myself into the mirror, like my eyes, or even through the lens of the camera, I look at my eyes and I see the universe, because those eyes that see all the quality in life, those eyes that see all the beauty in nature, and those eyes also show me the truth of who I am. And I appreciate those eyes very much, that it is the mirror for myself to be able to see and not to judge. And I really love this practice. I have been doing this for so many years, and I can tell you that it's not easy. The first year is so hard to be able to look into your own eyes and feel all this that I just said. But over time, you feel the love. Over time, you feel more compassion for yourself, and become much easier, and become just a powerful practice every single day to connect with the soul, in deep in the soul level. Because in the eyes, have you ever heard someone said the eyes is the window of the soul? And I really believe so. So this is another thing that I do every day. And one more thing, actually, last thing of this video is that the honey lemon ginger drink. I love this drink so much, and I do my best to drink this every morning. And that's it, my morning routine, my morning ritual. Let me know in the comment below if you also have your morning routine, morning ritual. I would love to hear from you and to see if our ritual are the same. That would be amazing that we do the same thing without knowing it. And if you like to have more of this video coming on your new feed, click the like button so I know that you like this kind of video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and don't forget to click that little bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. And one more thing, I want you to look into your eyes right after watch this video, and to connect with that universe that lives within you. I see you next video, my beautiful soul, my beautiful friend. DIY your life, create the life you wish to live.